Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Dodge Charger RT, stock number B9600A. Only 45,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. Charger is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the large car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds now to accommodate longer cargo items. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This RT has keyless entry, along with proximity entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, along with dual automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with the owner. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Charger has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 370 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Charger, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.